turn right at the stop sign up here. So you can signal anywhere in here because there's no other options that would confuse anyone.
Yeah, there's one spot that I always go to, like, they're like 4 feet apart, the next turn.
Okay.
And I want to get into the second one, but, like, I can't really. It says leave enough time, but I don't know how much time that is.
Okay, let's go straight. So we're yielding to anybody turning left here. So you can still go if you're quick about it. Well, maybe we'll wait now. He's getting closer. We don't know if he's turning yet. Yes, he is turning. Okay, and as long as that guy, yeah, we can go now. He's not lane changing, so. Good. Yeah, so for signaling, you want to signal at or after the last option before your turn. But if there's a couple driveways really close together, we're going to go left here at this light, then, you know, as long as no one's sticking out of the one, then it doesn't matter, right? So check anybody coming or anybody crossing, and then you want a left shoulder check too, because check in the crosswalk, right? Okay, let's go right at this corner. Good. Good. Keep flowing. Try not to stop or slow down to a crawl. Good. So the perfect turn is in slow, out with flow, right?
Okay.
So as long as you're not hitting it too fast on the outside, then you should be tidy. But what happens is people come in so fast that then they're braking all the way around the corner, and then they're stopped on the other side of the corner instead of on their way out, you know?
Causes a shock.
Buggers up things. Let's go left at this one. So again, nobody's coming or crossing, so you don't have to.
If she's far enough back, I don't
wait. Yeah, she's
wait.
too far away, don't wait.